Hi friends, click on the like button and the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. Hello friends and welcome to Automove India. Today I am going to review a Korean brand. Yeah, it's right. It's a Korean brand. It has come to India very recently and their cars has also dominated the Indian market. And the car brand which I am going to review today is Kia. And the car which I am going to review today is none other than the Kia Seltos. Let me show you the three-dimensional view of this car. Let me open the engine bay of the vehicle right away and let's talk about the heart of the matter. Before we talk about the heart of the matter, in the engine bay there is insulation given over here as you can see, and the engine is packed very beautifully over here. It's written CRDI 16 valve. And let's talk about the power outputs. The max power output is 113 bhp at 4000 rpm and the max torque output is 215 Nm at 1500 rpm. Let me close the engine bay of the vehicle right away. Let's talk about the front design of the vehicle. It gets all LED headlamps and here is the indicator of the vehicle. Below is the fog lamp. It is also all LED unit. And these are the grill of the vehicle. The LED continues for all the way till here, till the center of the vehicle. And it also gets front parking sensors also. Next, let's move on to the side of the vehicle. As we come to the side of the vehicle, let's first check the tire size of the vehicle. It is 215 60 R17. These are 17-inch. Suspension is a McPherson strut with coil spring. And let's move on to the back. Before that, it gets all body cladding over here as you can see. And there's also a chrome line that starts from there and reaches here. Back tire is also the same size, 215 60 R17s. The back suspension is a coupled torsion beam with coil springs. Let's move on to the back of the vehicle. And this is the back view of the vehicle. These are the tail lights which have been given a beautiful finish. The chrome line comes and enters into it and it gets a back wiper, defogger, the high mount stop lamp, spoiler which is given in black finish, and it gets a shark fin antenna also which is a great finish. And as we come below, here it gets a chrome line as you can see, and back these are the reverse parking sensors. Next, let's check the boot of the vehicle. Boot space of the vehicle is 433 liters, which is a good space. You can carry most of your loads while going very long trips, and it gets a light on the other side. And these are the parcel tray, as you can see. And the front, the back seat can also be split to increase your boot space. That is in 60-40 split. Let me close the boot of the vehicle. And there's one more feature, that it gets reverse parking camera over here. Next, let's move on to the back of the vehicle. Now we are at the back seat of the car, and here there's sufficient amount of leg room. Underthigh support is also very good. Headroom is also very good. And at the back it gets sun visors also, as you can see. which should be manually adjustable. And these are the back seats of the vehicle. Three people can comfortably sit in here at the back. It gets ISOFIX child mounts also in the back seat, which is a good safety feature. And at the back, here you get slightly scooped out seat backs with magazine holders over here, as you can see. And when we come to the center part, it gets a smart air purifier, as you can see. Here is a digital display and two AC vents over here, and below you get a USB charging socket and some space. This is the dashboard of the vehicle. Next, let's move on to the front of the vehicle. And over here you get the engine start stop button and two dummy buttons over here. This is to adjust the light, and these are also the other switches. Above here you get the AC vents, and as we come to the driver door of the vehicle, let me show you. There's a door pocket holder in which a 1 liter bottle can easily be kept, and as we come, these are the Bose speaker over here, and above you get a tweeter. These are the door handles in which get a kind of matte silver finish, and the driver window is one touch up down. It has a one touch up down feature. Let me show you. And the outside rear view mirror also can be adjusted. Which now I am in the driver's seat of the vehicle, and first let's talk about the steering. It gets a flat bottom steering wheel on offer. It is a leather wrap steering wheel. Here below it is written as Seltos, and all the controls are there in the steering itself. And here you get the wiper controls, and on the other side you get the light and the indicator controls. And the steering is also adjustable, only for tilt but not for reach. Let's talk about the instrument cluster of the vehicle. First let me switch on the vehicle right now. As soon as you switch on the vehicle, it does a system check, as you can see, with the Seltos coming in, and this is the instrument cluster of the vehicle. In the center you get a multi-information display, as you can see. It's showing the accumulated info. Above it's showing a fuel 27 kilometers and 129 kilometers above, as you can see. And at the left you get the RPM meter, and in the right you get the speedometer. Below the RPM meter you get the temperature meter, and below the speedometer you get the fuel gauge. And in the multi-information display it's showing the total kilometers the vehicle has run, and below the total kilometers there's a distance to empty meter, and it's showing the total time, means the total amount of time the vehicle has run. Let's talk about the IRVMs of the vehicle. It gets auto dimming inside rear view mirrors, as you can see. And let's talk about the driver's visor. It does not get a mirror nor a light, but it gets receipt holders. And as you come to the co-driver side, it gets a mirror but no light. And as you come to the center part, here are the lights controls over there, as you can see. And this is a sunglass holder, and it also has a sunroof. Let me show you that. First let me open this. And it's a decent sized sunroof. Let's close the sunroof for the moment. The sunroof is closed right now. Let's talk about the instrument cluster of the vehicle. It gets a 10.25-inch touchscreen with all Bose speakers, and here are the AC vents. This is the hazard light switch. The dashboard is a two-tone color themed dashboard. Below here is the AC controls. It gets automatic climate control on offer, and here is the wireless charging pad, and here is the USB, and here is another USB socket, and the other side you get a 12-volt charging socket, and here is some space to keep another stuff like the car key. This is the 6-speed manual transmission of the vehicle, and these two buttons over here are for the ventilated seats like this, and these are for turning on or turning off the parking sensors. This is for the view of the parking camera. And as you come back here, you get two cup holders, and there's a center armrest also. There is some space. It's not deep, very deep, but it has some sufficient space inside the glove box. I mean the center armrest. Let's talk about the glove box. As you can see, it's a decent sized glove box. It's not a cooled one. Let's close it right now. The seats are leather seats, and it gets ventilation on offer. As you can see, these are the holes, and it's also electrically adjustable. Not manually adjustable, it is electrically adjustable. So friends, as you all know, I am under 18 years of age, so I can't drive the vehicle. So let me try starting the vehicle. Let us, yeah. And the vehicle rose to life. There is no much engine noise inside the cabin. It's well insulated. Kia Motors is launched in India recently. You have to look into the service and other things. But when you look into the vehicle, is an absolute beast. I would give Kia Motors 10 out of 10. The uh, design and other features of the vehicle. So this vehicle was given to me by Mr. Khwaja. Thank you very much for giving me this vehicle to do a review. Thank you very much.
Taking your time and doing this was, I think, it's a really good for the vehicle industry to know the updates. So I think this would be regularly updating with regular things. So keep it up. Thank you.
So if you like the video, please click the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe.